Hello there, I am Tugus Tuzariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. Social networks. Social networks refers to the means of interaction among people in which they create, share, and or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. We are in information age. We are in information era. We are in 21st century that we have not only a standalone computer, a computer without network. We have also a computer within a network. Not only local area network, we have a global network. It's possible to create a global village that when someone living in a specific continent have a chance to communicate easily with the other one in other continents easily. It's possible. The social network refers to a means of interaction among people. They create, share, and or exchange information and ideas in virtual community using an internet network. Social networking is the use of internet-based social network sites to stay connected with friends. First usage, this social network, by having the internet connection using online, they have a chance to stay connected with friends. They have a chance to connect friends. They have a chance to connect also new colleagues, new peoples in different social networks, found in different social networks, found in different continents. They have a chance to connect families. They have a chance to connect colleagues, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a social purpose, as an implies social purpose, a business purpose, and educational purpose through sites like Facebook, Telegram, Skype, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Nowadays, it is replaced by Twitter, by X. They are social network and have a chance to make people communicate each other found in variety of continents. Unless a social network is used properly, it has several risks indicated in section 4.5. Therefore, you are advised to use social network properly. Here are the social networks. The Facebook, I have a chance to create and communicate people easily using text message. They have a chance to share news, photos, and videos. The same to Instagram. When it comes to YouTube, video-based files can be shared based on an issue. And nowadays it is replaced by X, Twitter replaced by X. And name the other social network by having an account and following people. They have a chance to have new news or posts from variety of popular and famous people, including governmental bodies. And the Telegram have also a chance to communicate people again by joining a variety of channels or groups. We have a chance to provide or gather information. WhatsApp, the other type of social network, LinkedIn and TikTok, they are included under social network platform. Facebook is a popular social network website that allows users to create profiles by creating our profile, including our birth date, upload photos and videos. It enables us to send messages between families and friends and stay connected with friends, family and colleagues. How to create a Facebook account? If you have no Facebook account, first you have to create a SIM card or phone, then it's possible to create easily. Go to facebook.com, click create new account. Enter to make it secure. First, you have to prepare our mobile. Enter your name, email or phone number, then password, date of birth and gender. Then click sign up. It says to finish creating your account, you need to confirm your email or mobile phone number. Then go to facebook.com and enter your mail or phone number and password to login. Finally, click login. Login pane is here. Here is a Facebook window. Just say lesson here on grade 8 textbook. Let me say something by opening the home page, the starting page for Facebook. The first social network, around 2.9 billion people are using nowadays. Just if you are new, you have to use create account. Then as you have put in here, we have to enter the name, mobile number, password, date of birth, and gender. By following the right step, it's possible to create a Facebook account. This is the login page, but it's possible to create any one by using uh, login page. I mean, create account page. The other is Telegram, as a social network. Telegram is online messaging application like that of Facebook. Must have an internet connection to use this social network. Telegram is an online messaging application. Telegram is to send messages to your contacts when you connected to Wi-Fi or mobile internet data connection. It is also used to transmit text, photos, videos, audio file, location information, contacts, and documents. The Telegram has the ability to show whether the communication partner is online or not. Just if you have no an account, you have to follow the right steps by preparing phone first. Install the Telegram application if you have no using Play Store. Enter your phone number, then add your username and picture. Find friend with Telegram. Start chatting. Possible after that, it's possible to share photo, video, document, and other important information. The other is LinkedIn is another online service that provides business and employment services which operates through the various online sites. It's a means to share new informations. It's possible to share job opportunities and have a means to learn virtual learning using LinkedIn. And the other is YouTube. Around 3 billion people are using this social network around the world. It is a video sharing website on which users can upload, view, and share video which are informative and inspiration to others. Nowadays, thanks to the technology here, I have also a chance to address YouTube videos like by making a video lessons here by using the technology. It's possible to share video sharing website on which users can upload, view, and share video which are formative and inspirational others. The other is Twitter. Twitter is one of the microblogging service. Microblogging is a web service that allows subscriber to broadcast short messages to other subscribers of the services. Nowadays it is replaced by the X. Rather than using the name Twitter, here it is replaced by X. Twitter permits people to be able to post and exchange text messages limited to 140 characters, either through monitors or mobile devices at a time. The major function of Twitter is to post. It's possible to get to address text message or picture-based message or video-based, get connected to the latest information that interests users and follow users the conversation. Mostly we use text messages rather than using other type of multimedia files. Here is rather than using we use x.com. X.com. Now Twitter is replaced by this name. If you have one account, just create account. You have to use create account. or you can sign up with if you have a Gmail, you can create with Gmail. If you have no, just click on create account and you have to give your name, phone number, and date of birth. You have to fill date of birth, the month. You have to fill the day that you are born and the year that you are born. Then next, just by filling the right appropriate information on the field box, is possible to create and follow and get a new latest messages or news from X social network. What the benefits of risk and the risks of social networks? Every network have a network by itself have no only advantage, it's have a disadvantage. By having a disadvantage, we cannot stop to use the technology. We have to use also continuously because the advantages highly overthan the disadvantages. We have to use the technology. Using internet has benefits and risks. Benefits are advantage gained from the internet when used properly, while risks are disadvantage caused when internet is not used properly. Use of internet have grown up a significant number with the internet and digital devices as part of their everyday life. Just nowadays, thanks to technology, everyone can have a chance to use internet. At the same time, we have a chance to use also legal sites or unnecessary sites. That takes our time. Therefore, we have to be brave and we have to use our time carefully. Benefits of social networks. The internet for children and adults alike is a huge important medium. You'll be amazed the information that we gather from the internet. Children and young people now frequently use the internet to search information based on any subject or academic or any issue. You can search and gather information using search engine, communicate, express ideas, share information and experiences using social networks, interact socially with friends and family using social networks, innovate, create and share contents using social network, play and be entertained such as games. There are game entertainment sites, movies, there are music sites and there are educational sites or entertainment sites like books. Therefore, these are the benefits that we gather mostly from the internet. What about, on the other hand, the risks of social networks, the negative impact? The following are the risks of the internet: being exposed to inappropriate contact, like mean, aggressive, or sexual comments or images, are appear on the social network or other networks. That is the first risk. And uploading inappropriate content like photos or videos themselves or others also the other risks of social network. There are also other sharing personal information with strangers, for example, phone number, date of birth, or location. The other is cyberbullying, that is using digital technology to deliberately and repeatedly hurt someone. Online bullying or harassment. The other disadvantage or negative impact or risk. The exposure to much targeted advertisement marketing. Personal information being stolen also. Untrustworthy misleading content is easy to find on social networks. These are the risks of social network nowadays. Here is about Unit 4 lesson for grade 8 for today. Thank you.